Welcome back to the Golden Hour. Hashtag Mnanzekaya. It is good to be home. Sisemkhathini yomnyaka wa 2025 but indzaba ye-blood donation siyikhuluma njalo siyigcizelela njalo. Why is it so important for us to do that? Sibonile ke thina lesihlaka ku social media ukuthi baningi kakhulu bantu evendla kangwane lokhanze ukuthi bashodelwa ingadi badzinga kudonatelwa ingadi kubangwa yini lokho. Then makes me ask, ukuthi libhange lethu lengadi yevendla kangwane lime kuphi lime kanjani. Namhla ehlelo Golden Hour sinenhlanhla lenhle ngekusitwa abaka World Health Organization eSwatini ukuthi basilethele i-guest yethu letasikhulumisa ngendzaba yomgcoka we-blood donation evendla kangwane nokuthi what are some of the myths. Siyakuva kunenge kuyakhulunywa lengaphandle nebangani bethu bayasitshela ungendi lokhu na uyodonata ufuna ungadli mhlambe ufuna wende lokhu nalokhu but lunga ukhona lo mhla ehlelo eGolden Hour ngulunga wakanjani njani long head of donor education and the department recruitment at Blood Bank la eMbabane. So Lunga, good evening, welcome to the show. Kunjani?
Evening nokulunga. Evening nokuphila njani?
I'm fantastic. Sengiyamuka as long as ikuna knock, right?
No problem.
Yes, but siyabonga kakhulu sinamhla utehlelo Golden Hour sidokhuluma ngebumgcoka be-blood donation. Ngubani umuntu lo eligible ukuthi adonate ingadi?
Okay. Asibonge sing Blood Bank kuthola leli thuba ukuthi sibe la sitophinze sikhuluma ngayenzabe kunikela ngengadi. I know ukuthi kulamalanga uva abantu bathi atingadi kude. Kuliqiniso to some degree. Leni ngoba ingadi kufanele ukuthi inikelwe ngumuntu ayakhiwa. Kude futhi silwane lokayithatha kiso uyifake kumuntu. So sidinga ukuthi sivele kude umuntu. So kude ube eligible to give blood. You have to at least have 16 years.
Okay.
You have to at least weigh 45 kgs.
Okay. Okay.
You have to be of sober habits.
Okay.
Mawutanje kutonikela ngeke uthi yathi lamhla ngiyanatha kusasa ngiyonikela. You have to give it time ukuthi
unatha ke sikhuluma ngani alcohol.
Alcohol, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You have to give it a few days ukuthi kutophuma ku system before you can give blood.
Okay.
You need a few hours before you can give blood if you have smoked cigarettes.
Okay. Okay.
But things that ikhuni like recreational drugs tinsango nani lokho kukwenda ube permanently ineligible lokho ukuthi awukhoni kunikela if you are using drugs netibu lenjengetinsango.
Okay. Okay.
Kuthi ube ungilophilile.
Okay.
Masithi ke uphilile sisho ukuthi emtimbeni ude kugula lonako noma ngabe awulashelwa kona but if you've got any illness that you are living with then you are not eligible to donate. Such that noma uma unomkhuhlane siyasicela ukuthi ima ucetse uphele emkhuhlaneni. If kune medication loniketwe yona for imalanga lathide icetse. Then uthi ungayicetha songahlala ke 3 to 5 days after you sebenzisile so that you are sure it is cleared from your bloodstream before you can come and give.
But ke ngiyasibona sibedlela sekunikela ingadi nisho kangakanani nangafika nje mina sesinesihlobo sami lesidzinga ingadi ngifike lapha ngithi hayi mina angiyibhemi insangu mhlambe ithana nithatha ingadi yami nifake esihlobeni sami nisho kangakanani ukuthi le information lengitayisho mina as a donator ingiyo.
Yes, issue nayo leyayivele kakhulu. Ngidawucala ngekuthi ngikubeke kube clear. What we are talking about good donator, which means it should be a gift from the heart.
Okay.
Ungeti kutosiyenga.
Okay.
Try to give something nawe longafuna ukuthi bakunikelele. Uthathe le situation utibeke kube nguwe lo sothinga lengadi.
Okay.
Would you like in ukuthi lengadi lento iletha bakunikelele yona.
Okay. Okay.
That's why ematters ethu siwenda ngale la ngembili sicale sikubude because sifuna ube honest ekuthini utonikela.
Okay.
Uma utonikela ke sesibishito ukuthi ungabi nalokho. Sitayithatha yebo lengadi sitabe seyicwaninga ngale ngemuva. We'll do the test afterwards.
Which is why uva ukuthi mhlambe lenye igcine ingasebenziseki, right?
Yes, we do the test vele.
So now what are some of the risks that are associated with blood donation? Ngeke abantu bese labanye bathi hayi bese culeka bayawa ngathi sesekwenteke nemtimbeni senginikele ingadi are there any side effects?
In terms of risks there is very, very low to no risk. Side effects, yes. You are giving blood. it's almost like you've bled, only that we are collecting the blood.
Yeah.
So we always encourage afterwards for you to take a rest, not to do any heavy lifting, not to engage in any sports, and drink a lot of fluids.
Yeah.
Rest on the day that you've donated.
Yeah.
The following day, your body would have recovered sufficiently ukuthi songaqhubeka wenda lokho lofuna kwenda. But on the day lekunikela, so that ungatoti cancer so nalesiyeti noma sophethwe ngenhloko.
Okay.
Try ukuthi urest as much as possible and drink lots of fluids.
Okay. Okay. So senginikele ke ingadi or ngiyanikela ingadi, maybe it's now my culture or habit ukuthi mhlambe after a particular certain period of time ngiyahamba nginikele ingadi. You know, what are the benefits of donating blood? Give me and the person obviously yena uthola ingadi uthola kuphila, but give me ke lenginikelako, what do I benefit?
The biggest benefit is that knowing that you've done something good.
Yes.
That is the first benefit. The second benefit is that the more you give blood, the more you're activating your red bone marrow to which Akubega approaches. So as we know that in your blood system, the red blood cells get replaced after 42 days.
Yes.
So the more nigel, so you are in a more healthier space.
Okay.
Because your red blood cells keep changing all the time.
Yeah, okay.
So
yeah.
In terms of being fit and every other way, it's a good thing.
Maybe besides the scientific reasons, you know, why we should donate blood, you know, emtimbeni wami nje, you know, sengiyiluzile lengadi, you know, hey, after how long do I recover from that? You know, because that's my concern.
In terms of recovering, it takes less than 24 hours.
Okay.
Yes, but in terms of replacing the actual blood cells,
yeah.
It takes a few weeks.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
There is what we call the hemoglobin. Before unigel, we take a drop.
Okay.
Usually, babe amazed because I should test HIV. No. So we check do you have enough blood? Is there enough hemoglobin in your system to give to the other person?
Okay.
Because you yourself needs to donate.
Yeah.
So we have to make sure that you are healthy enough to give.
Okay.
So in that way, ngiyakuzitana nawe kudati lokho kuthi ingadi yakho vele inganani before you can give.
Okay. Then now, how do you motivate us, you know, to be repeat blood donators, you know? Sibuye ngiyakhumbula nje mne high school basiniketa like snacks, you know, like biscuits, juice, drink, fizzy drinks and all that. So I'm set, right? But you know, for me as the general public, you know, how do you motivate me to come back for blood donation?
We still do have those biscuits and the drinks. I know it's some sort of motivation.
Yeah.
But you know, we give to replace the fluids that you've lost.
Oh, okay.
We give so that you can have a bit of glucose because you know you've lost a little bit of blood. But the greatest motivation, the CIC, listen, look outside. Here ukuthi bantu bakhala kanganani ngengadi. Lokho kuthi ingadi kude la singayakha khona simaswati.
Okay.
So uma ngabe uva umuntu wakhala ngengadi, kusho umele wena ukuthi ude utonikela.
Okay.
So we try to kukhumbuta wonke umuntu nalonikele ekuthenini sitawucela uma ngabe uyifemale, please come back after 4 months. Uma ngabe uyimale, please come back after 3 months.
Okay.
Uve lama stories. I'm sure lamhla khona nje ngamba namakezwane.
Yes.
Naye lota ne story sakhe ekuthenini mine ngeke ngayidzinga ingadi.
Yes.
Kwachama abantu banginikelele. That's the ways this now ekumotivate because asiku encourage ukuthi singakubhadala ukuthi unikele ingadi. Leni ngoba masasacala sakubhadala. Utabe sufuna kuto masoshayikile. So ufuna kusiyenga ukuthi hayi wena u right ungakhona kunikela.
So qamba nemanga futhi khona lapho.
So as encourage vele lokuthi sikukhokhele.
Okay.
So it's rather the stories from the heart. Let's encourage how to keep coming back.
Nembeza, right? So now take us through, you know, maybe, you know, the cycle of blood donation up until the blood transfusion, you know, because umuntu utawubhala namhla social media kunesihlobo sami lesidinga ingadi ndiku urgent, you know, the process, you know, from me getting into the clinic, you know, donating that blood to it getting tested, gopotola ma laboratory, and then the transfusion, you know, take us, you know, briefly through that cycle.
Okay. What we do when you come in to give blood lamuhla you can give blood noma ngabe uyinikela eksene noma uyinikela emini, but khona le period lefanele siyime before ingadi yakho singacala siyisebenzisa.
Okay.
One sendela ukuthi icala ikhulishe kahle so that uma senda lama tests kube bede lokwecako.
Okay.
So we usually need ama temperatures la kehla ehlile than your body temperature. So icale
Okay.
ime.
Okay.
Bese ihamba ke sengena emshineni. So kule mishina yethu nakhona ithatha isikhathi. So ingadi loyinikelela muhla. Kungendeka ukuthi after sayitestile sesigulisekile ukuthi vele ikahle to give.
Yeah.
Ukhanza sithi awuphuma maybe kusasa kubo after lunch. It is never into yenma awala mafisha. You cannot give it now and expect it ukuthi ibe seyiphumile. We have to run thorough tests to make sure ukuthi there is no mistake kuniketa ingadi leyengce kanti khona ama infections lebese yinawo.
Yeah.
We have to make sure that all infections are tested, everything langadini we are sure ukuthi quality wise
Yeah.
it's good for everyone.
Yeah. Then also, you know, what measures are there, you know, that are put in place to ensure my safety as, you know, a blood donor and the person that I'm donating my blood to? Mina nje ngiyafuna kuba safe esibhedlela, ngifuna ikhamba ngingasabuya esibhedlela ngenxa ukuthi ingadi yami sebayithethe sekunema side effects la khona, you know. What measures are there to ensure my safety and the recipient of my blood?
Well, in ensuring your safety, the environment lesibakiyo, we have to make sure that you are comfortable to give blood. Siyakukhulumisa uto understand lokho ukuthi yini kahle kahle lo yendako when it comes to giving blood.
Okay.
And masocetsile, we always
So kuba
make sure.
neclass inyana.
Yes, we
Okay.
vele awunikeli nje ukuthi ungena ubunikele.
Hawu, thank
Mawungena sicale sikhulumise. Uthi na utothi mawuvuma ukuthi
Akusinkomo
ngiyanikela.
edamu.
You understand?
Yes.
yes. So mawucetha siya encourage ukuthi uhlale. Unathi lesikuneta kona, udle lesikuneta kona.
Okay.
Wendele ukuthi uma usukuma lapha ube so strong enough
Okay.
to maybe take like walk le mfisha lapho uya khona.
Yeah.
We encourage you ukuthi ungagijimi. We encourage you ukuthi uma uva ngathi kunenkinga yima nomhlale phansi till udive kahle to continue. But ke we are always open ngokuthi uma uva ngathi unenkinga uyabuya kithi sitobona ukuthi ngabe kwendekani.
Yeah.
Then lengadi siyayitesta sente sure ukuthi is safe. Bese wena ngale lo tabang recipient yale ngadi. Nakhona siyayithatha le yakho. Sitoyicathanisa nale sikubita nge-cross matching.
Okay.
Sente sure ukuthi le ngadi lele buya ngalana lenikelwe nguwe. Vele itawungena yini kimi le nto oyithola. Because ngidokhanza ukuthi lana ama blood groups akafani nana. So siyayithatha le ngadi siyicathane si-cross match lo vele itawukhona kuhlangana angeke kunikete inkinga.
Okay.
So those are the safety measures that we have in place.
Okay, so Sisethembenini, right? Sisethembenini. What
Mbeke,
programs are there? Briefly nje sesivala la khona activities reaching out to us as the public, decentralization of such information, you know, what plans are put in place at the moment?
Okay. In terms of decentralization, we have a blood bank in Mbabane, just below Mbabane Government Hospital.
Okay.
It is not a government hospital. It is just below.
Yes.
There's a gate yakhona. So uma wesabak esibhedlela, don't worry ngala ngakithi uvela ungene blood bank awungena esibhedlela.
Alisabe futhi ligedelene.
No, lethu hlale livulekile ngosama ukhanza sihledi lapha ngaphandle kusimemeta ukuthi biyanini lo donate.
Yes.
Yes, kamanzini singendawo kwaseposini just eceleni kwasemaphoyiseni. Bese kuba kukaHlatsi. KaHlatsi we've just opened a couple of years ago. Sesibhedlela ngekhathi ke khona. Uma unyukela ngase OPD, utalibona libhodi lelishoko lokuthi i-blood bank ingakuphi.
Yeah.
Bese ke siba nawo ama-activities lesiwenda on a daily basis. Sihamba siye etikolweni, uma kuvalwe itikolo sihamba semadolobheni, sihamba siye etinkundleni, la lapho khona kune-activity whereby kungesiwe ama-sports ukuthi abantu bayashukuma.
Okay.
Lapho ngikhanze kuhletiwe khona kuyafundziswa kumnanzi as long as kungesito tindzawo lapho khona ukhanza ukuthi kumbe sekunathwa tshwala noma sekuyabheka. We always avoid those places because sithi ingadi lesiyifunako yemuntu losopa, so we cannot then come to your party wena ngoba niyanatha. Tindzawo njengemasono health gatherings siyayisibe khona Yes.
Okay. Sethemba ukuthi babukeli bevile namuhla siyadinga ukuthi umkhankaso lona lochubekako ukuthi kusikhuthata ukuthi sinikele ingadi kuyasita kuyamsita nalo thula noma emukela leyo ngadi lunga siyabonga namhla ukuthi ube nathi ehlelo Golden Hour.
Siyabonga eSwatini TV, siyabonga ababukeli ekhaya kusineta lelithuba. Sethemba sitawuhle sibuya sitokhumbutana ngekunikela ngengadi.
Yeah. Thank you so much. That is our guest today on the Golden Hour, a courtesy of the Ministry of the World Health Organization, Eswatini, Ulunga Waganjalinjali, ubuya lapha Blood Bank. He's head of Donor Education and Recruitment Department. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi namhla uhlale nawe ulalele bumcoka bekunikela ingadi, and September ukuthi isikhathi sisachubeka sitakhona ukuthi sive futhi the state of our blood bank in the country nokuthi singababambisa kanjani. Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.